For this remedy, we will need ginger, take half inch ginger, peel off it, and grate it. Now take it in a saucepan. Add a spoon of cinnamon powder, add a spoon of cumin seeds powder, add 1 glass water, now boil the ingredients on low heat for 10 minutes. After boiling, strain it. Add a spoon of honey. Mix it well. Drink a cup in the morning, half hour before breakfast. To get an effective result, continue to drink this drink for 10 days. And you will notice the difference, especially in the stomach area. These tips are completely natural, there is no side effect. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.